Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, almost end of the month, June the 28th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saifa block. In Japanese, Suguru. And we have also a tectonic with 1 star. And the final puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. The first one, Sudoku with 1 star. Number 6668. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 28 printed digits. Should be also a 0 star. But let me give this a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of ones. Yeah, let me start with one in this column, one in the third column. So the column between the second column, no need to place level 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. 1. Interesting. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, don't need to place level 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 6. 4. How about 2. 9. 5. Oh, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. How about? Need an 8 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4. Come on. Only 1, 3. No. Only 1, 3, 4, 1, 6. Need a 6 here. Well, we have a pair here. 6 and a 5 in the last row. 6 and a 5 in the row above. So that row, only 2 place level 6 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So now we have 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this third column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 6. 5. Okay. And now 4. 4. Need an 8 here. 8, 8. 4, 8, and 7. Interesting. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 9 here. 4. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 3, 9, 7, 7, 7, 3, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Okay, and all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Wait. 8 in this column. Overlooked. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. No, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. 8. Need 8. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. 3, 3, 3. Okay. 3, 7, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in this box. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Need an 8 there. Need a 3 there. And I need a 7 here. 3 and 7. Come on. 7. I need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 5. Need a 6 here. Come on. 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 down in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. How about the 6 then now? No, 6. No. 6. No. No. 7. Yes, 7 here. But the 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. 4, 4. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, and the 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Here can be a 4. Can be a 4 here, 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Together with the 2, we have a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in the mid, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. 2, 2, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in that. Oh, we already have a 9 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and the 7. Here also the 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this second row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 9 is, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the first column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 6 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3. It goes there, finish in 60 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well, it should be 2 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.